How to fix Messenger not showing active online friends. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Messenger not showing active online friends. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open your Messenger app. So simply you have to open it. And now after you logged in with your account on Messenger, you will got such interface. So from here, if you are facing the problem like you can't see your active online friends, you'll have to tap on the menu option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to go the option settings. Okay, so from here in the settings section you'll have to go the options active status. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now on this active status option, if your this option is turned off, you will not able to see your online friends on Messenger. So you have to turn on this feature from here. Alright, so after you turn that active status on your Messenger, you will be able to see your online friends on Messenger. So this is the easiest and simplest method to fix the problem like Messenger not showing active online friends. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.